The day I learned the system doesn't protect all founders. Some founders are told a lie early on. The lie is that if you do everything right, the system will protect you. And, from my experience, I can tell you that it won't. When my legal situation hit, even temporarily, it didn't matter that the charge was false. It didn't matter that it would be dropped. The system doesn't wait for the truth. It reacts to risk. And founders are always the risk, especially some black founders. Banks, platforms, partners, they don't see nuance. They see liability. That was the moment I realized most businesses aren't built for resilience. They're built for normal conditions. But normal is an illusion. In this channel, we're going to talk about how founders actually protect themselves financially, operationally, and strategically. Because building is easy. Surviving is the skill no one teaches. So what's the biggest lesson you learned, Mike? Well, the biggest lesson I learned is that your business can disappear overnight. And if you're not mentally prepared, you'll disappear right along with it. And another lesson I learned was that losing everything does not mean you're done. It means the old version of you has expired. Some people see comeback stories, but they don't show the part where you're rebuilding with no income, no safety net, and still choosing not to quit. This is that part. I'm documenting the rebuild in real time. I'm sharing it in real time. So follow if you believe comebacks are real. Share this with somebody who's rebuilding. Learn from our scars. Again, I'm sharing the rebuild in real time because as so-called black people, we have to look out for our own, because I'm proof positive that the system is not set up for us to win like it is a certain other class of people. Welcome to Michael Douglas TV, where I show you how to build anti-fragile businesses in a broken system.